Hello sir, this is Shubham and I'm working with Ultratech. It's a software development company. Ultratech develops software and applications. I'm creating this video to tell you about our company for your business promotion. Actually, this video only for your website, not for others. Like that, if you want Android application or web application, so for that, I have created other videos. Actually, we started as a new freelancer, so don't think that we don't have a lot of skills. Actually, I have a big team for Ultratech and we are highly skilled and professional. So we will do your work on time, on budget with best quality. For more information, you can contact by these information which are given below on left side. Now we come on second step. The second step is website prototype. A website prototype can be any mockup or demo of what a website will look like when it goes live. There are some steps for your website like that: requirement gathering, designing, coding, testing and maintenance. There are 4 points of requirement gathering. The first one is your project detail. For starting your project, we want to know that about your project detail. Like that, what type of business are you doing and how do you want to promote your business by a website, and what other things do you want in your website. So after knowing all the requirement of your business, we will have an idea for your website, and after that we will start work on your website. The second point is type of website. There are 2 type of website for your business. We have to know that what type of website do you prefer. The first one is informative website and the second one is e-commerce website. The informative website means that it will only show your project, business information by a website to customer, and we will use contact form by which the customer can contact with you. And the second thing is that we will use Google Map by which the customer can search your location. And the e-commerce website means that by this type of website the customer can purchase your product and do the payment. The payment method would be used online payment or cash on delivery payment. By this type of website you can show all information about your business and the product, and you can also sell your product. And we will use also contact form and Google Map. Now we come on third point. In this point we want to know that what type of platform do you prefer. If you depend upon us, then doesn't matter. Otherwise choose any one platform for your business. There are 4 type of platform, and the last one is basically used for web application. Fourth point is other requirements. This is the last and the final point of requirement gathering. In this step, there are only 3 other requirements. The first one is logo. If you have logo, then it's a good thing. Otherwise, my company will provide a logo. The second one is images. If you prefer informative website, then just give me images only. If you have, otherwise my company will provide you images. And if you prefer e-commerce website, then you need to provide your product images and product detail. And the third one is that content. You need to provide business content for your website as much as possible. The second step is designing. In this step we will tell you how we design your website and what things is required for your designing. The first one is what type of design do you want, means that have you any idea for your website design. And the second point will show you that if you have any idea and you want that type of website but few changes in design, then just give me your design and we will start to create your website. Third point is if you have some design and you want clone of that design but you want different content, then provide me design. After that we will start your work. And the last and fourth point, if you don't have any idea, then we will provide you some demos, and after that you need to select some of them. After that we will start your work. This is designing part 2. The first point of designing part 2 is brand alignment. Means where do you want your logo, left side, right side or center. You need to choose one of them. And the second point is that menu designing. There are 9 demos of menu designing with brand. Choose one of them. Otherwise, if you have another design, then provide me, and after that we will start to do your work. These are the remaining demos of menus. This is the design part 4. In this we will discuss about footer. There are some demos of footer designs. Just select one if you don't have any design. Otherwise give me your design and we will do your work on that design. These are the remaining demos of footer. Now we are on design part 6. Here I will talk about pages. How much and what pages do you want to have in your website? Now we will talk about home page and what things do you want in home page. The first thing is slider. On the top of home page, do you want slider? If you want, then if you have images for slider, then give me. Otherwise we will create images for you. After that we will put 2 or more images for slider which slide one by one from right to left side. The second point is carousel. If you want carousel of your client or carousel of your partner companies or carousel of your product, if you want to show some image carousel related to your business, then provide me images. There are 2 image carousels are given below in point 2 and the image of this carousel will also move from right to left. We are on design part 7. Here we will talk about contact us page design. What do you want to put in your contact us page? There are a contact form by which the client can contact with you, and the second thing is Google Map. The Google Map will show your exact location, and the third thing is that your address and your contact number. These all about your contact us page design. Now here we will also talk about us page. We need content of your business to put all information about your business in about us page, and all pages of your website would be same or related to home page, by which we can find a perfect website, and the color combination would be related to your logo if you want. Now about the final part of design I am going to discuss. There are 2 parts of design. The first one is admin panel, the second one is user panel. Admin panel is only for you because you are the admin of your project, and if you want user panel then we will use, otherwise no need of user panel. First of all you have to log in. I will provide you login ID and password as shown in point 1, and after that you will get a dashboard on which you can edit your website as shown in point 2, and user panel will work same like admin panel. This is the third step of creating your website. This step is only for our developer, not for you. Testing is the second last point of your project. In this step I am going to make you understand my flowchart. First of all we begin from start point like that. If I have done your project, then I will hand over to you. After that you will scan your project. If your project is perfect for you, then that's a good thing. Otherwise, if you have detected any problem, then you need to contact our company. After that my company will remove your problem, and after that testing process would be again, and finally we will deliver your project to you. This is the last and final step of prototype. In this step I am again going to make you understand about flowchart. So let's begin. First of all, after completion of your project, the company will deliver you your project, as well as the company will provide you 1 month free services. In a 1 month the company will support you, and if you want little bit changes, the company will change free. And after 1 month, if ever you want changes, then contact the company and the company will charge money for that.